Hi friends, um, today I discuss about the microsphere. What do you mean by microsphere? Their advantages and disadvantages also. Okay, microsphere is a one type of dosage form, and it is called as a novel drug delivery system also because microspheres are one of the multi-particulate delivery system, and it is re-prepared to obtain controlled drug release form. And this novel drug delivery system is used to reduce the toxicity, adverse action, and it is used to improve the prolonged effect of the drug and reduce absorption difference in patients and reduce the dose frequency and adverse effect during the prolonged treatment also. So this type of dosage form is very important nowadays. So what is the microsphere actually? This is the diagram of the microsphere, and another diagram is a microcapsule. So microsphere is a characteristically free flowing powder and spherical shaped powder, and their size less than 200 micrometer, and it can be injected by 18 or 20 number needles, and they consist proteins or synthetic polymers which are biodegradable and non-biodegradable in nature. Biodegradable means which is a degraded by the biological product or environmental biological product or environmental substance. This type of product is biodegradable and non-biodegradable both. A well-designed controlled drug delivery system can overcome some of the problems conventional therapy and enhance the therapeutic efficacy of a given drug. Each particle is basically mixture of drug dispersed in a polymer with this release occurs, and drug release is controlled by the dissolution and degradation of this matrix. This is the matrix particles. Okay, and it is matrix particles because in this case the pure drug and the polymers are mixed here, and these mixed particles are encapsulated into the capsule part, and this is part is capsule is made by the cell. Okay, so microcapsule means when the microsphere installed or into the encapsulate into the capsule part which is made by the cell, that is called the microcapsule, and this is the microsphere. Okay, so recent advances in polymer science and the drug carrier technologies have the development of the novel drug carriers such as a bioadhesive microsphere that have boosted the use of the bioaddition in drug delivery. This is called the new drug delivery system. Actually, microsphere is a one type of new drug delivery system because it is used, it helps to improve the bioavailability of the drug, and it helps for the sustained release pattern of the drug delivery system. That means it is a one type of controlled release or sustained release drug delivery dosage form, and it reduces the dose frequency of the dosage form, and it gives the prolonged effect of the drug, and it reduces the toxicity or the adverse effect of the drug. So that's why this type of dosage form is a novel drug delivery system is called, and there are different advantages and disadvantages are available. So what is the advantages of the microsphere? To decrease the side effects, to improve the bioavailability, protection of the drug against the environment. Okay, and because there is some matrix particles, that means the polymers are already used to coated the drug. So which type of environments from this environment it protects? Moisture, light, heat and oxidation also. And taste and odor masking of the drug, it is also improved because due to the presence of polymer, and prolonged and controlled GI transit of the dosage form. Site specific drug delivery which has the potential for local therapy of several conditions such as gastric ulcer, esophageal cancer, toothache and dental source, as well as potential for the treatment of systemic disease such as diabetes mellitus, etc. And intimate and the prolonged contact of the drug delivery device with the absorbing membranes, which has the potential to maximize both the rates as well as the extent of the drug absorption. This is the advantageous part of the microsphere. Okay, and this is spherical shape also. And another point of the advantages is to reduce the dose frequency and to relative stability, to increase the patient compliance, to have better therapeutic efficacy, to reduce the flocculation in plasma drug concentration, and safe handling of toxic substance, and production of sustained release and control release medication. And there are different disadvantages part are also available. The rate of the polymer matrix and its effect on the environment. Okay, the polymer additives such as plasticizer, stabilizer, antioxidants and fillers are used. Reproducibility is less. Product process conditions like changes in temperature, pH, solvent addition and evaporation or agitation, it may influence the stability of core particles and encapsulated. The environmental impact of the degradation product of the polymer matrix produced in response to heat, hydrolysis, oxidation, biological agents, etc. And the cost of the materials and processing of the control release preparation and substantially higher than those the standard formulation. So these is parts are the disadvantages part and these are the advantages part. So microsphere is a one type of novel dosage form, and it is in this case the metric particles means when new microsphere is prepared, then the drug particles means the pure drug means active ingredients, medicaments are mixed with the polymer, and that time polymer is used to coat it the drugs from the different type of protect the drug from different type of environments, just like moisture, light, heat, oxidation, and it is also protect from the GIT fluid. After the formulation, these matrix particles you have to encapsulate into the capsule part, and the capsules are covered by the cell. The cell already is cell means the gelatin part. That's why capsules are two. The capsules are two parts. Capsule is a two parts, that is means hard gelatin and soft gelatin capsule, and when the capsules are covered by the gelatin, that is called a cell. So these matrix particles you have to install or instead into the capsule part, and then the micro capsule is formed. Okay, and in this case the size of the spherical particles of the microsphere size less than 200 micrometer, and it can be injected by the 18 or 20 numbers needles. Okay, so this is the new nowadays this type of microsphere is accepted as a novel drug delivery system.